When I was little, my favorite thing was the sweet red bean rolls my mom made. Soft, fluffy, and lightly sweet. When they first came out of the steamer, the whole house smelled warm and comforting. And now, my child loves this flavor too. Earlier today, I made some sweet red beans, so now it's time to make a batch of red bean rolls. First, mix together the milk, sugar, and yeast. Let it rest for 2 or 3 minutes so the yeast can slowly wake up. Then add the milk mixture into the flour little by little, mixing as you go until everything comes together into a dough. The dough should become smooth on the surface, soft to the touch, but not sticky. Since we're using a one-proof method, the dough needs to be kneaded really well. That's what gives the rolls their soft and delicate texture after steaming. Divide the dough into small pieces, about 35 grams each. You should get around 14 pieces. Take one piece of dough, gently roll it round, then press it down a few times to remove the larger air bubbles inside. This helps create a finer, softer texture. Roll it out into a small wrapper about 0.4 centimeters thick. Add 2 spoonfuls of sweet red beans, then slowly pinch it closed, just like making a steamed bun. Make sure to seal it tightly, otherwise the filling may leak out while steaming. Now comes the step that gives the rolls their beautiful layers. Gently flatten the bun, roll it into a long oval shape. Then slowly roll it up from one end. This helps spread the sweet beans more evenly and creates prettier layers inside the dough. Once they're all finished, place them into the steamer to proof. When the dough looks light and puffy, about 1.5 to 2 times larger, they're ready to steam. After the water comes to a boil, steam over medium heat for 15 minutes. Then turn off the heat, but don't open the lid right away. Let them rest in the steamer for another 3 minutes. This helps prevent the dough from shrinking too quickly in cool air, so the rolls stay full and fluffy. They taste best fresh out of the steamer. Pull one open gently, and inside you'll find soft layers of dough filled with sweet red beans. Take a bite, and the milky aroma of the dough blends with the sweet bean filling. It's such a simple flavor, but somehow it always feels comforting.